Hey you beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is being casual yet glamorous. The first palette is Tarte in Bloom, and the first shade is Rebel from the palette. Goes on the crease line as well as on the outer corner using a fluffy blending brush. I love the foundation that I have used, Bobbi Brown Skin Nourishing Glow Foundation, and my shade is Natural 4. Okay, getting back to the tutorial. On the crease line with the Rebel shade. On the crease line with the shade Rebel, using a fluffy blending brush, just pulling the outer corner and going towards the inner corner, diffusing the shade as much as I can. The second palette is Soft Glam, and I have used the shade Mulberry. Basically, I'm just placing the shade on the outer corner as well as on the crease line. And then using a medium-sized blending brush, I'm just going to diffuse the shade into the crease line and on the outer corner, just like that. The next palette is NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I have used the shade Yellow from the palette using a flat brush. I'm going from the inner corner towards the middle of the eyelid. As you can see, this is a super gorgeous shade, but the shade doesn't look the same in the palette. It's a little bit different, but I like the shade. Once you wear the shade on the eyes, it's a little bit different as to what I see in the palette, but it's okay. Adding the shade little by little, increasing the intensity of the shade, and then going back with Mulberry, I'm just going to place the shade on the outer corner again and on the crease line using a flat brush towards the inner corner. So basically this is giving that border to the eyes, you know, it's like an outline to the eyelid. So yep, as you can see. And then using a really small blending brush, I'm just going to diffuse the shade into the crease line and on the outer corner. I haven't used a fluffy blending brush here because I really don't want to feather it out. I don't want it to look like, you know, out of its place. I want the shade to be right there on the outer corner and on the crease line. So I'm just going to diffuse it as much as I can into the yellow and in the crease line and outer corner. To highlight the brow bones, I have used the Luminizer Squat, and the shade that I've used is Penny Low with a flat brush. I'm just going to highlight the brow bone as well as the inner corner of the eyes. As you can see, this is a really beautiful shade, a beautiful highlighter. It's a good highlighter. This is how it looks like. Sigma Nightlife by Camila Coelho. I have used the black shade from this palette, and basically I'm just drawing a line from the outer corner right towards the tip of the eyebrows, and basically just building the thickness little by little and joining it down towards the lower lashes, as you can see. So this wing sticks right on the outer corner. It doesn't go towards the inner corner, as you can see. This basically gives that eyes that lifted look. So yep. And then using an angular brush, I'm just going to build the thickness little by little. Basically this is a really nice technique. I like doing this for my everyday look. I don't like to draw the line fully towards the inner corner, and then I'm going off camera and doing the other eye. Going back to Mulberry, I'm just going to shade the lower lashes and connect it to the wing, as you can see. It's a pretty cool look. I really love this look. I love all the shades that I've used and all the products that I've used actually. It's a nice shade. Yep. And this is how it looks like without the false eyelash. And then I'm using Sigma to fill the waterline. Basically itself sticks on the outer corner and it doesn't go towards the inner corner. For the upper lashes, I used YSL, and for the lower lashes, I have used Maybelline Push Up Angel. So this is how it looks like with the false eyelashes. Time to sculpt the face and add some warmness to that plain face. I have used Glam Terracotta, and I'm just placing the shade on the cheekbones, under the cheekbones actually, not on the cheek, not on the cheekbones, under the cheekbones, on the forehead, under the jawline, and also shaping my nose a little bit with this bronzer. It's a really nice bronzer. It doesn't shimmer that much and it looks so beautiful on the face. So yep, I really don't want to contour the face a lot because this is all about being soft and giving that really gentle sculpt to the face. And then using a brush, I'm just going to diffuse and blend it into the skin. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Just like that. And then just shaping the nose a little bit. For the blush, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Passion. I love this blush. This is a really beautiful blush and goes on the cheeks. Just like that. With a blush brush. And this is how it looks like. For the lips, I used Bronx Chubby Lip Color and the shade is Coffee. This is how the shade looks like on the lips. It's really nice. So this is how it looks. The face looks pretty nice, but it's time to add some highlighter. To highlight my face, I use the Low Manizer Squat and I use the shade Penny Low Manizer, and this goes on the bridge of the nose, on my cheekbones, and in between my eyebrows, on my forehead. This is the final look. I hope you guys like this look as much as I love creating this look for you. To watch more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. God bless. Bye bye. Mwah.